This is John Johnson. I'm Editor-in-Chief of Secrets of Home Theater and High Fidelity, and I'm going to talk about cables for a minute or so. Now, I used to be a non-believer about low-priced versus high-end cables, or so-called high-end cables, which means very expensive. I didn't believe they made any difference. But recently, in testing Wireworld cables, I found out that they do indeed make a difference. Now, this is the type of cable that I used to use. Most of my equipment uses XLR connections or balanced connections, and this is a balanced cable that's used by professionals for stage performances and for connecting microphones to record orchestras and so on. It costs about $8, and that's what I used to use. Now, this is what I use, which is made by Wireworld. This is also an XLR balanced cable, but the conductors are made of silver. And just for a 1 meter pair, they're $3,000. Now, why cost so much? Well, one reason is the conductors are made of solid silver. But secondly, and most importantly, hundreds of prototypes are manufactured and tested until they get the cable that tests near perfection. And I have found that the Wireworld cables have the lowest reactive impedance of any cables I have ever tested. And you'll see this in the review.